Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'll be teaching you or showing you guys how to complete task on this Promise app. Now you can see very well this is my wallet. Yeah, I already made 200 naira here. You can see. Now these are the jobs I already got on. 12 naira, 20 naira, 20 naira, all that shit. Yeah, it's really improving, progressing. With time I'll show you my withdrawal and all that. Is real, it's free to register and it's worth it actually. So let's get back to business. Now there's no task here, no save task, no one from location because I'm not walking around, I'm exploring and all that stuff. So let's try this one, this first one, how to try. Okay, I'll click on it now. How to try to complete tasks when you do not have internet. Do you know that you can still complete tasks when you're offline and do not have internet? This task will explain how you can do tasks when you do not have internet. So this is it. You can either click on this one, save for later, or you click on this start now. Now this is how it works. You save this one, save for later. If you don't have data or you don't have the time now. And now remember, if you don't have the time now, you should always time yourself. Check the time. The time will be given around here for you to come back later to check it out yourself. Now this one is 24 hours, 23 hours 59 minutes, so you can easily go back and check your saved task. This is the saved task to be here, and this is the time it's counting, so you can easily come back here and click on it. Then we start now. Let's go. Okay, let me save task. Right, did you know that you can still complete it? Yeah, tell me more. Just make sure you click on the right answer when your phone is connected to the internet. Show the task you want to complete from the task marketplace. Make sure you read the instructions for the task. It's very easy. The tasks are very easy to finish. So you just keep clicking OK. After saving the instruction for this task, click save for later. Saving the task for later, download all the task instructions to your phone so you can complete all the time. Okay, I don't want to read again. You might see notification. Oh, it's very easy. Just OK, notify me and all that. Once you save the task for later, you're OK. Yeah, OK. What else? Do not worry when you see this image in the internet, so that's OK, and the submission will be saved until you reconnect to the internet. That is to say, if you are saving task, and even if you don't have data connection and you try doing the task, you will not get paid for that task until you connect to an internet connection before the task will be submitted. Yeah, yes, I completely understand. Very helpful. Then you submit. Okay. All right. Good job. Oh, nice job. Now that is how it is to do task. Now, one secret you need to know here is that in this app you need to be walking around because the app works with your location. So if you are in a certain location all the time, you will be having just a little task. So it's advisable for you to move around, go a little further to the marketplace, so all those shops, nearby shops that are around you, and then try reloading. Scroll down like this to reload, and then you might be lucky you get luck, you get a task. Now in the next video I'll be posting, I'll be teaching you how to increase your income, on this app. It will not be how not to get limited to just this task of 12 naira, 20 naira, and all that. I'll show you in the next video. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of this next video that I'll post. So thank you very much for sticking with me. Bye.